Friends, we are talking about the petition that you filed drawing the attention of the Minister of Ayush, Government of India, asking him for help to set up a mechanism for new drug discovery in homeopathy, in the nosode category in particular. Friends, I am going to talk about a new nosode, Hepatitis C nosode. Hepatitis C is a very serious infection and a very difficult virus, much more difficult than HIV virus, which has affected a large population in India, which is among the largest in the world, and people still do not know much about this infection. This infection of hepatitis C has a effect on the liver cells, and eventually 5% of the patients they develop cancer of the liver. Friends, homeopaths have been thinking of developing hepatitis C nosode since years. However, it never happened only because there was no mechanism in place available which would allow a new nosode to get developed. However, in last around 8 to 9 years time, we were fortunate that with the help of a team of scientists, we could develop hepatitis C nosode. In the year 2008, we systematically developed hepatitis C nosode. We also conducted a placebo-controlled, double-blind drug proving or a homeopathic pathogenetic trial with hepatitis C nosode. And after that, we also conducted a clinical trial of hepatitis C nosode in 30 hepatitis C patients, where we demonstrated, very interestingly, the anti-hepatitis C efficacy of the hepatitis C nosode. On top of that, a team of scientists at Kalyani University recently demonstrated anti-cancer activities of hepatitis C nosode against the cancer cells in liver. All this work has been already published in peer-reviewed scientific international journals. So you must be wondering, if this work is already published, then why don't we get hepatitis C nosode from the market? Friends, the answer is very simple. The nosode is not yet made available to anybody simply because there is no regulation in place in the current regulation about how to develop a new homeopathic nosode and how to bring it to the homeopathic pharmacopoeia for the use of the profession. Friends, our appeal to the minister is to help us set this mechanism so that this and many more nosodes and many more new homeopathic remedies could be developed scientifically. More scientific research could take place, and which will eventually help the growth of homeopathy science. If you are convinced of this idea, I request you sincerely to sign the petition by clicking the link which you will find at the bottom of this video. If you have questions, please feel free to ask or send them to us. Thank you very much.